In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot CRM 2025, step by step. We'll move through the platform in a logical order so you can get set up, start managing relationships, and track results with confidence. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot's website to set up your account. Either sign up or log in, then add your business name, website, and industry so the workspace is tailored to you. If you can, connect your email, like Gmail or Outlook, and add your email signature. This lets HubSpot log emails automatically and keeps your outreach consistent without extra effort. Next, head to Contacts, then Contacts. This is your master list of people. You can add contacts manually for quick entries, import a CSV if you're moving from another tool, or let HubSpot capture contacts automatically from forms you create later. Every contact record stores key details like email, phone number, and a full activity history of emails, calls, and form submissions. Keep your fields consistent and use deduplication during import to maintain clean data. If you work with organizations, go to Contacts, then Companies. Link contacts to their companies to track business relationships at an account level. This is especially helpful in B2B, where multiple stakeholders influence a deal. HubSpot can often associate contacts to companies by email domain rates, which saves time. For your sales process, open sales, then deals. Build a simple, clear pipeline with stages such as new lead, contacted, proposal sent, and closed won or closed lost. As conversations progress, drag and drop deals between stages. Add important details like amount, close date, and deal owner so your forecast and reports stay accurate. To communicate at scale, go to marketing, then email. Create campaigns with templates, personalize your content, and track opens and clicks to see what resonates. You can also send one-to-one emails directly from a contact record to keep everything on the timeline. Always preview and test before sending. To capture new leads, open marketing, then forms. Build and embed forms on your website or share a direct link on social media. Submissions automatically create or update contacts so nothing slips through the cracks. If you're promoting an offer, go to marketing, then landing pages. Use a clean layout, add a form and a clear call to action, and publish. Keep the page focused on one goal. For automation, open automation, then workflows. Set triggers like a form submission or a new contact, and automate actions such as sending emails, assigning leads, or updating properties. Test thoroughly before turning workflows on. Finally, track progress in reports, then dashboards to monitor